Hey everyone, so I've got a clip show featuring this topic down here. And I did a ton of recording this year with my Insta360 X3, and this is not sponsored. I bought this with my own money. I'm not getting anything for telling you what it is, but because it's got loop recording, I could just have it set up on the bike, recording all the time, and if something cool happened, I just hit the button and it would save a predetermined amount of time from when I hit the button back. So I caught some neat stuff, and like I said, down here is the title of this clip show. I'll have a few different clip show type videos of all the little stuff I saw that didn't really warrant making an entire video for, but I'll put them all together at the end of the year here for you to see. So have fun, check it out. Hi, Mom. I made it.
Good deal.
You got enough tools to fix it?
Yep. My chains.
Oh, okay. If you need to adjust it, I got my whole tool roll with me. Oh shit, is it jammed up in the swing arm? You got it, but I'm here to help if you want.
Yeah, you seem smarter than me.
Maybe I help you roll that tire backwards? No?